So guys, here I have a card that I'm making the back strap with. So it's called macrame, it's hand knitting. I'll show you that. I am making the bag from hand. From hand. I'm not using any machine, any needle or anything. So all of this bag is handmade. See? By hand. I don't use any machine to make it. The material is very durable and thick. So it's good. Nice. And it's on sale now, so you guys can call me and I tell you all the price. But do this. Yes, so see how I draw through the card. Tie. Push through this. Draw through. Draw through the card. All of them have to do this way and you just tie. Okay? Other side. See, it's macrame is not, and knitting is not easy. That's why it thick. It is not crochet. I'm using my hands. Look. Tie. Push this through. Look. You have to draw the card through. Look. Then I hold it like this. Look, fix here. See? It's not easy to make these things. Draw with a piece of card. Be down alone. See? Just get a little bit carried away a while ago. Right under your thighs. Okay guys, so this is all I have. This is all I have to show you. See, it takes one per time. See, it's not easy to do hand knitting. It's all handmade. Everything I made is handmade. And it's kind of hard to do, you know?
Hurry up, hurry up.
Excuse me. Right, so I'm telling you that it's not, it's hard to do. I'm not finished with the bag yet. I'm making strap. Here you go. See? This is a nice Jamaican bag. Very nice. Sturdy and thick. Well, that's all I have for you today. I just want to show you guys how it is done. It's and knitting. Yeah. See, I'm not finished. Still have more to do. So it's all in the process. It's all I do with the bag. I unknit the whole bag. So see, Jamaican bag. I make all type of bags. So if you can order, and I unknit it for you. You tell me how you want it, and I can do it. So you can call Livis at 1-876-330-9534. Yes, so this is all I have the time I have for today. So peace out.